Do you know tooth loss can increase the aging process? Yes, it is true. When you lose a teeth, there will be bone loss in that area. This will in turn reduce the jaw size, and this will affect your face by decreasing the length of the face and causing sagging of the skin. Hi, I am Dr. Grishma Visham from Doctor's Dental Care in Bangalore. Bone loss due to tooth loss can affect the length of the face, resulting in sagging of your face. Wrinkles can even appear on your face. So, how can you treat it? 2 or 3 tooth loss can be treated by graft as well as implant. A complete tooth loss may require denture treatment to regain the height of your face. So don't wait. Replace your missing teeth to look younger.